Changing a few things might help alleviate dry skin. Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video, so let's start the powerful video. If you follow the same skincare routine throughout the year, you could find that it is less effective when the humidity lowers. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. Dry air can make fine lines and wrinkles more prominent, even if you do not make any changes to the way you care for your skin. Itchy, dry skin can flake, split, and even bleed if it is not treated. Dermatologists make the following recommendations in order to assist in the healing of dry skin and to prevent its reappearance. Put an end to the aggravation of dry skin caused by baths and showers. When the humidity begins to decrease or when your skin begins to feel dry, make sure to put the door to the loo shut. Instead of using hot water, use warm water. Put a time limit of 5 to 10 minutes on your time spent in the shower or bath. Use a cleanser that is mild and does not include any aroma. Avoid applying so much cleanser that you see a thick foam. Instead, apply just enough to eliminate debris and oil from your skin. The towel should be used to gently pat your skin dry. The moment you have finished drying your skin, apply the moisturizer in a thick layer. Dry skin can be made worse by taking baths or showers. By adhering to these recommendations on the part of dermatologists, you may prevent baths and showers from making dry skin even worse. To obtain a PDF, please click on the image placed above. Apply moisturizer as soon as possible after washing your face. Moisturizers, which include ointments, creams, and lotions, operate by retaining the moisture that is already present in your skin. Within a few minutes of the following, you should use a moisturizer in order to lock in this much-needed moisture. While drying off after taking a bath or shower, cleaning your hands or face with soap and water. Instead of using a lotion, you should apply an ointment or cream. Not only are ointments and creams more effective than lotions, but they also cause less irritation. It is recommended that you search for a cream or ointment that includes one or more of the following components. Oil of jojobas, the dimethicone. It is glycerin, the acid hyaluronic, the acid lactic, lanolin, plural, the mineral oil, aspartic acid, butter made from shea. Apply some lip balm. Pick a lip balm that has a pleasant sensation when applied to your lips. If you find that using the lip balm causes your lips to tingle or sting, you should switch to a different brand that does not produce this reaction. Utilize only skincare products that are mild and free of fragrances. Certain skincare products, such as deodorant soaps, are not suitable for dry, sensitive skin because they are excessively abrasive. It is recommended by dermatologists to use products that are labeled as fragrance-free. When you notice the word unscented, it indicates that the product may contain chemicals that mask or eliminate the odors of other components included in the product. Skin that is dry and sensitive can be irritated by these compounds. Except for hand sanitizer, alcohol is not allowed. AHA stands for alpha-hydroxy acid. Fragrances, including soaps that include deodorant. The retinoid. Avoiding these products will assist your skin in retaining the oils that it naturally produces. Dress and gloves. In many cases, the first area we become aware of dry skin is on our hands. After putting on gloves, you can lessen the amount of dry, raw skin you have by. Spend some time outside during the winter. You should engage in activities that require you to get your hands wet. This will cause you to get greases, chemicals, and other contaminants on your hands. Please select laundry detergent and clothing that do not cause irritation. Even the detergent that we use for our washing and our clothes can be irritating to our skin when it is dry and raw. So as to avoid this, if you are wearing clothing made of wool or another material that has a rough texture, wear cotton or silk apparel underneath it. When doing laundry, use detergent that is labeled hypoallergenic. You may maintain your warmth without resorting to a fireplace or any other source of heat. The act of sitting in front of a flame or any other source of heat can cause your skin to become dry. The air should be infused with it. Simply plug in a humidifier. Check your house heating system to see if it has a humidifier and to determine whether or not it is functioning properly. If you are able to do so, you should do so. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you want more content like this. Like, share, subscribe, and comment.